The audio is terrible, but I'm about to cut my hair short. I'm terrified. So if you couldn't tell from the butchered audio at the beginning, I'm about to cut my hair and then dye it red. I brought my friend in for emotional support because, let's be honest, I'm too much of a wuss to have done this on my own. I was actually planning on backing out that morning. Let's do this. Can't really tell from this video clip, but my hairstylist started with the back of my head, kind of one shot, chopped kind of pretty short. That way there was no backing out, because let's be honest, I probably would have chickened out if she would have started trimming from the bottom up. We were about halfway through the cut and there was so much hair on the floor. It's like that was on my head and now it's on the floor. What is this? This is terrifying. But I'm also like living for it. I couldn't stop touching it. It was so weird. Like, I love it. But it was so weird because it's like, where's my hair? It's short. I love it. It's healthy too, which is nice. You're adorable. As much as the purple silver was pretty cool, I was gonna dye my hair red, A, because I really wanted red, and B, it's a lot easier to find jobs when your hair is a more or less natural color versus like in your face purple silver, if you know what I mean. Like a mess. Yes!
But you look so anime with that, like,
I'm like
spiky hair.
I'm the main character in an anime. You don't know which one, but... What's up? I'm in my pajamas, but this is the final result. This is the haircut. Literally 3 weeks later. It's sort of kind of faded, and it hasn't really gotten much longer though. This is what it is, and honestly, after 3 weeks of having short hair, I do not miss my long hair like one bit. I can actually feel, you know, alive, and the wind on my neck, and I don't feel like that clump of sweaty hair in the back of your neck when it's really hot, which is a blessing, to be honest. I love it, and I don't regret cutting my hair short. The only thing I do regret is waiting this long, because I'd been debating like on and off since about January maybe, and I finally made the decision only now to do it, and I wish I'd done it sooner. And I guess this video is partially out there to say, you know what, if you want to cut your hair and you're debating, just do it. It's just hair. It'll grow back, worst case scenario, and chances are it's gonna look awesome. It's gonna be a cool change. You're gonna like it. Hair is not your identity, which is kind of what I was afraid of too, is like my long hair was my thing. But now my short hair is my thing, so I guess that works out. But yeah, I had like this whole motivational speech to say, like, you know, hair is just hair, go do what you want, do you. But it's brain not work, so we're gonna stick with this. But yeah, if you're thinking of cutting your hair, definitely do it. The only thing I'd say, like, hesitate about is more just what kind of style you're going for. I'm not sure what this is called. I brought in a bunch of photos to show my stylist to say, like, this is what I want. Reminder, talk to your stylist. Ask them, like, if this is gonna look good on you or not. If they have any other kind of recommendations, maybe go a little bit shorter, maybe go a little bit longer. You kind of gotta trust them because they know hair more than you do. So just kind of meet along the middle. I kind of gave her, like, free... The word is carte blanche in French, dang it. I kind of gave her like free reign over my hair, letting her cut what she wanted in my hair, which is kind of like this just layered bob thing. I can't stop touching it still. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did. If you're new to this channel and like what you see, please be sure to subscribe for, I'd say, more videos like this, but I'm never really gonna cut my hair short again and have some sort of dramatic crisis. But I don't know, subscribe for more videos in general. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!